Night, big news on the COVID-19 vaccine front.
My strong instinct, this is by far the largest vaccination effort in the history of the world.
Big question, could we be hitting a turning point in this coronavirus pandemic?
A lot of people sure hope so. Today, in fact, Connecticut-based Pfizer says its vaccine was 90% effective in clinical trials, 90%. Now, they're also looking for approval tonight from the FDA.
We have team coverage tonight of these huge developments, but we will start with Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino live in Groton. Mike, good evening.
Good evening, Aaron and Mark. And as you can imagine, there's a lot of people excited about this news, especially since the pandemic has canceled or altered so many different things. But here in Connecticut, there's a lot of good news beyond just the health and safety of a possible vaccine. A lot of the research that went into this was done here at the Groton facility. So there could also be huge implications for Connecticut's economy.
This is an opportunity for us to give a loud shout and have a source of pride.
Pfizer could be closing in on a major breakthrough against the coronavirus. The company is seeking FDA approval after successful testing on its vaccine. But officials in Connecticut also see this as a source of local pride, with much of the research coming from Pfizer's Groton facility.
Now you're hoping to have a tool in your war against this pandemic that could be significantly effective.
Pfizer says tests of more than 43,500 participants found the vaccine prevented COVID-19 in 90% of cases. With FDA approval, the company could distribute 50 million doses by the end of the year, 1.3 billion by this time next year. The news comes as the U.S. has more than 100,000 positive tests daily, and more than 200,000 people have died. People we talk to say they're excited and that they'll take the vaccine once it's proven safe.
Yes, I would, as long as the science backs it up.
Connecticut has seen other breakthroughs in the fight against COVID-19. For example, Stanford-based Sema4 shifted gears this spring and started making tests. State Senator Tony Wong says Connecticut has plenty to offer the bioscience industry.
Excellence in education and talent is critical.
He also says Connecticut needs to continue offering financial support, like tax credits for research and development. That will allow our bioscience industry to make announcements like this.
Not only is it for Connecticut, but it's for the world.
Now, Pfizer also has some financial help possibly coming from the federal government, a contract with Pfizer to buy 100 million doses to get that vaccine out. Live from Groton, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.